It's about time I did a part 2 for this. Hello, welcome to NBA Live 2000. Why am I playing this game again? That's a good question. I don't know. Okay. That's very nice. Can I please continue? Thank you. Okay. So, today, you've probably seen this for 2K19 and all that, but today, I'm going to be rebuilding a team. I'm going to be rebuilding. I have to find them. My favorite team that doesn't exist anymore. There they are. We're going to be rebuilding the Seattle Sonics. Oh boy. Okay, now, I'm already going to make some trades. And the way you make trades in this game is, that's not how you do it. It's really stupid. Like, it's really, really stupid. Okay, rosters. Okay, so, Britton Berry. Dog, you gotta go. I'm sorry, bro. I'm feeling, also, by the way, doesn't matter who you want, you're gonna get them anyway. For example, I'm trading Britton Berry because of the Lakers. Okay. I get Kobe Bryant, Daddy Horace Grant, Shaq, Baker. You're leaving, but okay, whatever. Morning. Patterson. Garnett. And then I'll keep Gary. Maxwell. I don't know. Actually, I think I'm good there. Whatever. Hold on. Simulate to the last game of the season. Okay, cool. Okay. Baker. Hey, Charles Barkley. Hey, Patterson. I'll take Walsh up Scottie Pippen. Berry. I'm feeling a Reggie Miller. I am feeling a Reggie Miller. That's not Reggie Miller. That is. Alright, I think we're good. Anyway. Okay. Now we wait. Go faster, please. Any minute now. We're in December and all, but I mean, like, you gotta go faster. Okay. Any minute now. How are we 45 and 16? Whatever. What, the Warriors 5 and 56? Any minute now. Come on. Just a little bit more. Just one more game. 2 more games. 7. Yay. Rookie playoffs. What seed are we? We are the 5 seed. Okay. Take game 1. Alright, let's see how far we can get first game. Okay, great. Well, guess I know who lost. Great. Yay. Well, I'm gonna give it there because that took half the video anyway, but, you know, it's fine. It's fine. Wait, Poland slept. Oh, okay. I thought they swept LA. That was gonna be interesting.
It's not over yet.
2-1. Lakers and Blazers. Okay. How did Indiana do better than us? We took Reggie Miller. How? And the Blazers win the championship. So yeah, that's that. Moving on. 3-point shootout? Okay. Michael Jordan 1-on-1? No. I don't even know what I want to do at this point. I tried doing a rebuild with them. Didn't work. Instead of just adding on watch time to this, you should just, like, you know, watch the rest of this video, please. Give me the views, give me the promo. You know what, actually, I think I'm gonna end it here. Make it a little short. I tried my best rebuilding a team. You only can stay for 1 season. So, yeah, thank you all so much for watching. My name is Blah, and I'm out.